Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video comes from our Wing Chun cross-arm training. It's developing a Lap Sao sequence into a good back and forth two-person drill. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos.
So, I want to finish it today with the back and forth. You all should be good with this. We worked on it all week. The half step forward with the Lap Sao punch. We're just going to spend a little bit of time on it and then punch right over the top, right? Coming here for 1 and 2. Everybody okay with that? We'll just warm up with it. 1 and 2. 1 minute each side. 1 and 2. Switch. We did this all week, right? We good? 1, fire it over the top, okay? 1, fire it over the top. The elbow is going to act to cap. You're throwing a capping punch, okay? 1 and 2. Everybody okay? All right, warm up. All right, so make sure now you're at the half step. So I'm going to come in. He's going to cover with Pac. He's going to cover with Pac. What do I see? Right? So we're going to go right back from here. I'm going to Pac Sao, punch, and he's going to counter with Pac Sao. You're all okay with it? That was the progression. Are you all okay if we go beyond that? All right, so then let's add the other piece into it. So again, come up here. I just want to keep it on film. All right, so it's going to be 1 step, 2, Pac and punch. Turn this. I use my waist and my hip to turn that into a Jut Sao. Come over the top. 1 and 2. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, Pac and punch 3. Release, hit, Jut. Come over the top. Check and hit. All right, so from here it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Step off the line, Jut, and hit. You all okay with that? You should be. We worked on this all week. All right, we have 1 or 2. You guys good? From here, 3. I turn. So now, as I go to punch up, he's going to do a go bone. You remember that? Everybody good? So then my answer to that is I pull it down, and I shoot the side palm. He goes in the Bong Sao and counters with a punch, and we're just going to stop with that. All right? So again, painting by numbers. A 1, a 2, 3. Turn into it, punch up. He counters with go bone. I pull it down, I shoot the side palm, and he counters with a punch. Everybody good? Good, because then we can, after this, we can get to two-person. What you're doing is you're going to repeat the same thing, but without stopping, going to the other side. The only thing that's going to be different now is you're not going to be coming from the Lap Sao. So it starts here. It's the same thing. It's 1, 2, Pac and punch. I turn. I come up, pull down. See, I'm in my good front stance. I'm parallel from here. I shoot this. He bones. Now, he throws a punch. I half step back. I Pac. So I'm staying parallel, but I'm pocking off the rear hand. He punches. Pac. He does Pac Sao punch. Wu Sao. He releases. That comes up. Go bone. He pulls it down. Back to Bong Sao. I clear. He half steps back because he's going to Pac. Only on this is to make this drill work. Pac Sao. Pac Sao. Pac Sao punch, release and strike to go bone. I pull it down, I fire. He Bong Saos, he comes to me, and I just release. 1, 2, 3. He opens up. I go bone. He pulls it down. Back to Bong Sao. And again, just nice and slow. Paint by numbers. You're staying parallel. Let's just stay parallel for now. You can go from parallel to cross and back and forth, but you'll be changing sides. 1, 2, Pac and punch, Jut and punch, pull, Bong Sao, 1, 2, Pac and punch, he turns, go bone, pulls it down, Bong Sao.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.